Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Fingerprint on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. To do that, go to Settings, then go to Security and Privacy, Device Unlock, and then go to Face and Fingerprint Unlock. Then you may need to enter your device screen lock, and now click on Fingerprint. Then add fingerprint. Now find the fingerprint sensor. It's on this button, on the power button. Then tap on it a few times and lift it. As you can see, try moving the finger between each scan so it scans the whole area. Now it asks me to scan the edges of my finger, so I need to scan the edges. And now fingerprint is added. You can click on done, and if you want you can add more fingerprints, for example from another finger or from another person. And now when I lock my device, I can easily and securely unlock it by just lightly tapping on the power button. So as you can see, I can unlock it by lightly tapping on the button. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.